Okay, we're going to be changing a drain valve on a Unimac 75 PVQ. They're pretty universal, so it'll be the same basically. We shut off our power, and you do want to lock it out if you do walk away. First, we're going to open our front panel. Once we get that open, we're also going to open the back panel, as we can't get the drain valve through this front opening. Alright, we're going to remove the wires. There's our new valve. And we'll take out those hose clamps using our driver. So remove your hose clamps, also your ground wire and your power wires. Once we get that loosened, we're going to take out our drain. After that, we're going to check to see if there's any blockages in the drain hoses. Sometimes there'll be some silverware or some socks in there. Make sure there's nothing in there, that they're all clean and open. So now we're going to put our new drain on. So shiny and new right there. Basically just going to reverse the process. We're going to fit that on there. Put our hose clamps back on. Reattach our wires. And don't forget that metal L bracket, that'll hold it up.
put the new one on.
Okay, we got everything connected. I'm just gonna put this plastic protective cover. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the bottom so we can protect the wires and the humans from getting electrocuted or messing with the wires. Turn our power back on. We're gonna start a cycle. Close our door. All right, we're gonna check our levels. We'll change the display temp. We're at 1.6 inches. We're filling up. Water's holding nicely, no leaks. All right, we're just gonna advance it until we get a drain cycle. There's our drain. No water drain valve opened up. Got good flow, no blockages. And we're all good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.